Welcome to my channel. Today we're exploring the 2026 Honda XR75, a compact off-road motorcycle that brings classic trail bike spirit into a modern era. Designed for beginners and younger riders, the XR75 focuses on simplicity, durability, and pure riding fun. Classic trail bike design. The 2026 Honda XR75 keeps its timeless off-road look with a lightweight frame, upright stance, and rugged bodywork. Its compact proportions make it easy to control, while the updated graphics give it a fresh and confident presence on trails and dirt tracks. Engine and performance. Powering the XR75 is a small, reliable 4-stroke engine tuned for smooth and predictable performance. Throttle response is gentle, making it ideal for new riders learning control and balance. The engine's simplicity ensures easy maintenance and long-term reliability. Handling and ride quality. Lightweight is one of the XR75's biggest strengths. The suspension is designed to absorb bumps and uneven terrain, helping riders feel confident off-road. Stable handling and responsive steering make tight trails and open dirt areas equally enjoyable. Comfort and safety. The seat height and ergonomics are tailored for smaller riders, allowing better control and reduced fatigue. Strong brakes, durable tires, and a sturdy chassis add an extra layer of safety, making the XR75 a dependable choice for learning and progression. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda XR75 is all about accessibility, fun, and trust. It's a perfect entry-level dirt bike that encourages skill development while delivering the reliability Honda is known for, making it an excellent starting point for off-road adventures.